Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and this is Create Quick To-Do Lists with ColorNote. The first thing is simply download this application, ColorNote Notepad Notes, and now just simply open it up and it will be available on the Google Play Store or App Store. Now here, tap on Next and tap on Next and tap on Allow over here to allow access to your files. Now over here, right away, you should have the plus icon at the middle down below. You could just simply tap on it and you will have two options. You could either create a text file or checklist. So I'm going to go for checklist. And now from here, you could just simply provide the title over here at the top. And you should be able to add an item. Let's say I'm going to go for create a video. And now tap on OK. And you can add another item. Let's say I'm gonna go for voice over, tap on OK. And now you will have here the arrows pointing downward and upward, and you can rearrange them by holding it. And as you can see, you should be able to toggle it. And now you could add another item. You could just simply go for edit, vid, tap on OK, and pretty much it is a simple app. You would just simply select the three dots on the top right. You could set a reminder, send, lock, or discard, or you could just simply select check on the left side of the screen to save it. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. Thanks for watching.